The first time I drove as a learner from Dili to Legisa, I thought it was just another driving lesson. But as the road stretched out in front of me, winding along the coastline, something deeper began to unfold. I realized driving isn't just about cars and roads, it's about life, and the lane you choose to stay in tells a story.